In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the action needed no internet issue on Windows 11. Let's start with the basics. When you see action needed on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, Windows is telling you that it can see the network, but it isn't able to fully access the internet. This could be a problem with your PC's network settings, your router, or even your internet provider. We'll walk through a sequence of checks and fixes, starting from the simplest and moving toward more advanced options. Follow along in order, and test your connection after each change. First, confirm the problem. Click the network icon in the taskbar and look at your Wi-Fi or Ethernet status. If it says connected, action needed, or no internet, try opening a few different websites in your browser to be sure it's not just one page. If no sites load, you're in the right place. Begin with a quick restart. Restart your computer, then also power cycle your router and modem. To do this, unplug them from power. Wait about 30 seconds. Then plug them back in and let them fully restart. This clears temporary glitches that often cause connectivity issues. Next, run the built-in troubleshooter. Open the Start menu, type Troubleshoot Settings, and press Enter. Click Other Troubleshooters, then find Internet Connections and run it. Follow the on-screen suggestions and apply any fixes Windows offers. When it's done, check if your internet is working again. If you're still stuck, reset your network adapter. Right-click the Start button and choose Network Connections. Click Advanced Network Settings. Then, More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your active adapter, select Disable, wait a few seconds, then right-click again and choose Enable. This forces Windows to reinitialize the adapter, which can clear driver or configuration hiccups. Now, let's reset some core network components. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type each of the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each and waiting for it to finish. Reset the WinSock catalog, reset the TCP/IP IP stack, and then flush and renew your IP settings and DNS cache. When you've run them all, restart your PC to apply the changes. If the issue persists, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and use the Network Reset option. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and restore default settings. After your PC restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and test again. By carefully working through these steps, you should be able to clear the action needed, no internet message, and restore a stable connection on Windows 11.